Rust is a modern systems programming language known for its focus on memory safety and performance. It was developed by Mozilla and is designed to prevent common programming errors like null pointer dereferences and data races. Rust is appreciated for its strong type system, borrowing and ownership model, and its ability to compile to efficient, low-level code. It's used for a wide range of applications, from operating systems to web development and game engines. Rust's combination of safety and performance has made it popular for systems-level programming tasks. Swift is a high-level, multi-paradigm programming language created by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. It's recognized for its modern syntax, ease of use, and safety features. Swift is designed to be more approachable than Objective-C, the previous standard for Apple development. It incorporates features like optional, type inference, and automatic memory management, making it more developer-friendly. Swift's performance and compatibility with Objective-C have led to its rapid adoption in the Apple developer community, enabling the creation of a wide range of applications for Apple devices. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.